Yo, what's going on? Um, I'm going to show you how I got 50 pips and trading gold during Asian session yesterday. Now, the idea behind this trade is that we're overall bullish, and we had a breaker that we are probably high probability of running into it, right? And yesterday, I talked about why this price move happened. I said we're going to watch what's going to happen around these areas. So I'm looking forward to get to this breaker. That's the idea behind the trade that I took. Now, since the day started after 5 p.m., 6 p.m., the market was like this, was positioned like this. This is a bar replay, of course. I'm going to put up a screenshot at the end of the profit I made and kind of the trade from my phone, so you can see the exact trades I took. But this was the idea, and all I was looking for was for a liquidity run, a confirmation of a change of a structure. Now it's on a minor trend, right? Downtrend. I'm looking for it to give me a confirmation that it wants to get here. So all I was looking for it to do was a liquidity run and then a confirmation of structure shifts. So there's a liquidity run. Now we know that price is going to come back here, right? It's going to retest and it's going to have a reaction off of that. And what is going to depend is that of this reaction right here when it gets here, if it's going to make a low or if it's going to struggle to make that low, and if it's going to give us this, right? This is a confirmation we're looking for. If it gets here and price makes a low, then we don't have a confirmation and we can't enter, because now we have to look somewhere else. We have to look the imbalance here and some of the imbalances here. But if price when it gets here, if it makes a low, no trade to be made. If a bounce off of there and it fails to make a low and then it gives us this high, then confirmation is there and we just need to enter. And that is all I was looking for. Now I waited. There's that pullback. Now we're going to have reaction off of there, right? Because that is, and now we got a bounce. Now if this bounce is going to make a low, or if it's going to bounce back, it's going to give us a confirmation pretty much. You see that? Now rejected. It didn't make a low, it made a high. Now that wasn't enough. I was still waiting for it to kind of get somewhere here so we can get a full on confirmation before I entered. And this right here gave me the confirmation. We had a bounce, and it was also 8:30, the new 8:30 candle I just started. So boom, I entered right there, stop loss below, TP right there. Now if you ask me, like, there's really no 100% confirmation behind this trade, right? The idea is that the overall trend is up. We had area that we needed to get to. We looked for a liquidity sweep. We look for a market structure shift, which is right here. Give us, actually right here was a confirmation. Right here was a confirmation, but I waited. And that's it. Like, you're never going to know. You just gotta take the trade, put your stop loss, and let the trade play out, right? And boom, obviously hit TP. I'm going to put up a screenshot right now of what happened, but this is the trade behind it. You could have taken another trade right here, a more confirmed trade, but again, I entered earlier and I could have entered somewhere around here too, because we did get this confirmation and should have continued down if we wanted to, but I made a high and then boom. So I hope you learned something from this. The lesson from here is that wait for the liquidity sweep, wait for the confirmation of a structure shift, and then enter with a stop loss, TP, and then let it play out. All right. So I hope you learned something from this. Till next time, peace.